A massive Emirates Airbus A380 managed to pull off an incredible but terrifying landing during the powerful storm Xavier this week in Germany. On Thursday, 5 October, an Airbus A380 from Dubai was captured struggling to land at Dusseldorf Airport in Germany as it was met with gusts of strong winds from the Xavier storm lashing across the country. After attempting to align with the runway, the plane touched down and then swerved wildly from side to side on the tarmac as the pilot managed to steady and straighten the craft against the powerful winds. Online reported that the 500-seat Airbus, currently the largest commercial aircraft in the world, landed in Dusseldorf at 1:31 p.m. with just 6 minutes delay. Over the past week, northern Germany has been hit with hurricane-strength winds as the deadly storm Xavier swept across the country, killing at least 7 people. The footage was captured by plane spotter Martin Bogdan, who goes by the name Cargo Spotter on YouTube. "I have filmed a few thousand crosswind landings at several airports in Europe within the past years, but this Airbus A380 crosswind landing was extremely hard and extraordinary," Bogdan wrote. "At first it looked like a pretty normal crosswind approach, but after touchdown the pilots tried to align with the runway, which looked pretty incredible. I have never seen such a tremendous reaction of an airplane after a touchdown. You can see that the pilots tried to align with the runway by using the tail rudder, and luckily it worked out. This video shows the incredible skills of the pilots," he continued. "Even after an unexpected wind gust after touchdown, they managed to realign with the runway. Incredible job by the pilots," an Emirates spokeswoman said in a statement. Emirates Flight EC55 on 5 October 2017 landed safely in Dusseldorf under strong crosswind conditions. At no point was the safety of the passengers and crew on board compromised. A GIF of the footage has been posted to Reddit, garnering a slew of incredulous reactions, comments and jokes, with many applauding the pilot for the unbelievable landing. "Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Did you see that SHT?" one Reddit user wrote.